my Methods channel. Please share and subscribe this video and give your comments also. In this video we'll see a raised to 4 upon 3 divided by a raised to minus 2 upon 3. So problem is written as it is. It is very simple. See here, base is same. A is the base in both term and it is divided by. So we have to use this law, a raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to mn minus n. So a raised to 4 minus 3 minus, why bracket? Because this index is minus, so write index minus, that is the minus, so make the bracket, and division is there, so it's minus. So 4 upon 3, so outside the bracket minus sign is there, so inside the bracket that will become plus, so plus 2 upon 3. So very simple. Here denominators are already same. You can roughly also you can do like this. See, this addition we have to do that, then denominators are same already, so no need to make denominator same, and it is easy. We can say 4 plus 2 6, then again 3 ones are 3, so 2, index will come 2, so here see 6 upon 3, so index 2, so basis 2 means a square will come. Then second, a raised to minus 1 plus b raised to minus 1 divided by a raised to minus 2 minus b raised to minus 2. Now problem is written as it is. Index is minus, so here a is there. Reciprocal of this a is 1 upon a, so index become plus 1. Plus 1 we are not writing, no need to write. Then here also b raised to minus 1, so reciprocal of b is 1 upon b divided by, here also index is minus, so we have to 1 upon a square minus 1 upon b square. Now here we have to take the addition, we have to make the denominator same, so denominator how it will come, then we have to multiply a into b, so here multiply by b, here a, so your b plus a will come, make the bracket, and upon ab divided by, here also same, a square into b square is the LCM, so you have to multiply by b square, here multiply by a square, so b square minus a square, so b plus a upon ab as it is divided by. Now see here we are using identity. We know the identity x square minus y square equal to x plus y in another bracket x minus y, or you can write first also, you can come write like this also, x minus y or x plus y. This is the identity. So here b minus a in another bracket b plus a upon a square b square. Now here this your b plus a upon ab as it is, and here division is there, so multiplication and reciprocal of this, so a square b square upon b minus a in bracket another bracket b plus a, so b plus a and this bracket so get cancelled, it is divisible. Then see here a square b square upon ab, so here ab is there and this ba upon a, here a square upon b, so it can be divisible. Simple here for a and b, here 1 is there, so it can become like this also, you can write 2, so it will come a and b will means 1, so that ab is written in numerator place, and then only here denominator b minus a. So this is the your final answer, ab upon b minus a. So thank you for watching.